Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Hub, your go-to place for honest tech insights, reviews, and smart buys. Today's episode is all about home security, something that's becoming increasingly important for a lot of us. So today I'm reviewing the Ring Alarm Pack. So this is Pack M with Outdoor Siren, which I managed to snag during Prime Week at a massive discount. If you're ever sold anything online and felt a bit uneasy about strangers knowing your address, then stick around because this might exactly be what you're looking for. So let's get into it and let's start the episode. So, why did I buy a Ring alarm system in 2025? Well, a few weeks ago, I sold a piece of tech through Facebook Marketplace. Something I've done countless times, but this time something fell off. I won't go into all the details, but let's just say the interaction made me seriously reconsider how exposed my home might be when strangers are coming to collect items. So I've got a few rules like not letting them directly through the house. I've got extra inside cameras now and just keep them at the front door. But it was enough of a push for me to finally invest in a proper alarm system, which I've been thinking about for a while. I wanted something smart, easy to install and reliable, and Ring ticked all those boxes. And I've had the Ring doorbell since like forever. Like I'm pretty sure I've got the first generation one that keeps working. So I researched everything and Ring did in fact tick all those boxes. So let's break down the spec. So let's break down what you actually get in the Ring Alarm Pack M. So you get the base station that connects everything together. Now you can drill this into your wall for mounting. However, I just got some large command strips and did the same job and it feels less permanent. And a hell of a lot easier as well and not so messy. You also get a keypad to disarm and arm the system, either wall mounted or portable. Again, you can mount this through using command strips. It's a lot simpler and it's not very heavy. Now you also get a motion detector. I got two of these, so these are ideal for hallways or main entry points, and my bundle came with two. Now you also get contact sensors, which you can pop on the doors as well or windows. Now I have since bought one extra one that my setup needed. You also get a range extender to boost the signal across the house, which is ideal. And the big one, the Outdoor Siren, which is new for many UK bundles. It lights up and makes serious noise when triggered. This is initially powered by 3 Big D batteries. However, I highly recommend that you get the rechargeable battery for ongoing power, peace of mind, and that means the LED lights up at night. Now having the battery power pack, if it does run out, the D batteries are there for backup, and to have it light up overnight, which it does with the portable battery, it's more of a deterrent. So everything is wireless, it works over Wi-Fi or Z-Wave, and the installation is DIY friendly. You can control it all through the Ring app, which also links up with other Ring devices like doorbells and cameras. Plus, you can monitor it remotely, set modes like home or away, and get real-time alerts if anything unusual happens. I have it connected to my Home Assistant smart home using MQTT and to my HomeKit using HomeBridge, all of which I'm not going to go into detail how to set them up, but I assure you it's very simple. And if you want to find out how to set it up, just look at YouTube or Google how to search it. Honestly, I'm not one to teach you how to do this, but it's super simple. So because of this, I can use simple automations and voice commands with my smart home for making it armed or disarm, and it's very seamless to use. That's the great thing about automation. Another feature I like about the app is sharing it across with other people and giving them their own alarm code. For example, my mum, who does some of the childcare, she needs access to it as well. It was as simple as setting her up. However, please note that they will receive notifications. So once you do set someone up, if they don't want notifications on the app, just turn them off. Now let's talk about pricing. So normally this bundle would set you back around £290 to £340, depending on the current pricing from Amazon and Ring Direct. And if you actually subscribe to Ring, you get a 10% discount as well on their store. But during Prime Week, I got it for just £220. So considering it includes the Outdoor Siren and is ready to go out of the box, I felt like it was a no-brainer. Just note that if you want a professional monitoring or cellular backup, you'll need Ring Protect Plus subscription, which costs around £8 a month, which I highly recommend for cloud storage and that extra layer of protection. Yeah, definitely worth the £8 a month. There is an initial trial period. I believe off the top of my head, it's a month trial. I'm on my first month trial. Here's the verdict. Setup was super easy. Took me under an hour, no drilling apart from mounting the siren, and no electricians. The app is responsive, the notifications are quick, and the siren loud enough to scare off anyone lingering. And most importantly, I feel a lot more at ease knowing my home's protected, especially after that sketchy Facebook encounter. For the price I paid, this was one of the best value smart home purchases I've ever made in a while. I'd love to add stuff to my smart home, and an alarm has been on my radar to get. Finally, I had a reason to do it, so I could not be happier. If you're thinking about upgrading your home security or just want peace of mind after selling tech online, I'd highly recommend checking out the Ring alarm, especially when it's on sale. So the time of recording this is July, so we just had Prime Week. The next stint will probably be Black Friday. So let me know in the comments, have you ever had any weird buying experiences that made you rethink home security? I'd love to hear about them, and keep your comments kind as always. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn the bell on so that you never miss future episodes here on the Tech Hub. Please follow me at Instagram and Threads at TechHubWorldUK, and check out my website at www.techhubworlduk.co.uk. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.